EdTech with Howard and Feck here with another quick tech tip. We're going to talk about how to sort and filter in a Google Sheet. Sometimes we need to be able to organize our information in a spreadsheet, and we can do that by sorting and filtering. So up here, I want to sort A to Z by the campuses to get those in alphabetical order. So you'll see this little drop down icon, and when it has a drop down menu here, and I'm going to sort the whole sheet from A to Z, and you can see now that the campuses are all in alphabetical order. Now, maybe I just want to see out of this list, and you can see there's quite a bit of information from different campuses. So maybe I just want to see those that are from a couple of elementaries. I can do that by coming over here to the three dots with the more menu option, and I can create a filter. When I click on create a filter, I have this little icon, that's my filter icon, and you'll notice it can filter by all the campuses. Now I'm going to clear those out because I just want to see Alta Loma, and I also want to check on Fannin. Those are the only campuses I want to see. So I scroll down to the bottom and I click OK, and you'll notice the only information it pulls up are the campuses that I selected. I can go back to this filter, and I can clear it, and I can see that Central has put in for different ways, Central, Central High School. So I can select all of those so that I can see all of the ones from Central High School. Click OK, and you'll see that I now have. And so those are just a few ways that you can organize by sorting and filtering in Google Sheets.